customer's credit score, loan to value, what city, how many stories, and the investor it'll kind of take exactly who has the best rate and the easiest guideline.
Have you ever wondered what the difference is between a mortgage loan originator and a bank? I'm Larry Weiss with Coldwell Banker, your condo connection. And today I'm with Scott Berger from Gateway Mortgage, and he's going to explain what the differences are, and then he'll talk a little bit about jumbo loans too. So Scott, what's the difference?
All right, thanks Larry for having me.
Yeah.
So I worked for a bank for 15 years of my life, and I was a loan officer. And essentially, since now all of us have to have national mortgage licensing numbers, if you're not licensed directly through a bank, or you're not working for a bank, you have to have you're heavily regulated through the government. So we have to take extremely hard tests. We have to pass them in each state that you want to do your licensing in. The huge difference that I've seen over the last 6 years that I've been a mortgage loan originator is that we have 50 to 60 products to offer a customer. With all the software and computer systems now, I can actually put in what your criteria are with your customer's credit score, loan to value, what city, how many stories, and the investor it'll kind of take exactly who has the best rate and the easiest guidelines for me to work through. When I worked at a bank, we only had 10 products to work for, and the bank always has their in-house ARM product, which is a great thing that it's their own money that they can offer, but majority of the loans, people aren't doing ARMs, especially in a market where rates are going up. And I'd like to just piggyback on a local bank in town. I had a physician in Mequon buying a house on the lake, and he referred to me after his bank denied him because he only had a 5% down payment. He made enough money to qualify, he just was short for cash. So I was able to take one of my investors, plug in the criteria, and I was able to close them last month. And the real estate agent, the listing agent from Shore West was really thankful because they didn't really believe that I can close a loan with 5% down on a jumbo. So really working with a mortgage loan originator, you have a ton of different options than just the bank.
Okay. And how do we get a hold of you, Scott?
The best way to get a hold of me is my cell phone, which is 414-699-6666. And I'm also on LinkedIn at Scott Berger.
Thank you very much.
And I appreciate it, Larry.
Yeah, your condo connection.